That intellectual property.
Intellectual property is anything. Intellectual property is
I think intellectual property is the things you create yourself, even though as humans we do have a common thought process and we may have similar ideas. Like if you write music, I think that's your own, and if you just some of your ideas are your own, and I think you do have the right to keep that to yourself.
I believe that intellectual property is yours if you create it, but if it's absolutely necessary to be used for some good purpose, that it is okay to use.
intellectual property is that you have ownership of your own original ideas. Intellectual property is anything that you create on your own and that only you can take credit for.
Intellectual property means to me owning an idea, and if you own that idea, nobody else should be able to take it.
Intellectual property is something that you shouldn't have to share with anyone else if you don't want to.
Intellectual property is what makes you you in terms of intelligence.
Intellectual property is anything that you create and have the ability to make public or not, depending on if you want to.
That intellectual property.
Intellectual property is anything. Intellectual property is